So today we're going to go over each section of this platform. So the first one we're going to start with is account info. And you should also see that on your syllabus. So now let me explain what these mean. These two numbers should be the same at the beginning of every day. The option buying power and the cash and sweep vehicle. Okay, these numbers, this number represents how much you can spend on stock or how much you can wire back to your bank account. Okay. This number represents the total value of your account. So this is the entire value of your account, $355.07. Okay, so to get the total value of your account, you see how we just have Verizon stock here? The subtotal of all my stock, or just Verizon, is $30. But if you add the 30 to the cash on hand, you get a total of $355.07. So these two numbers together equals this. Okay. Next, this is the news section. In the news section, you have your stock symbol, you have the price of the stock, and you have the news. Okay. When you see this white flower, this means it's a video. So when you come in here and hit mouse and click it, you see this little button. When you click that, it'll play the video. Okay. That's that section. Now, I just want to take the time and open this up a little bit. I want you to write down these four in the watch list section of your syllabus. Okay, so last is the last price of the stock when the market was open, which in this case for Netflix is $114.78, since it's Sunday when the market's closed. Net change is how much the stock went up or down since the day before. So with Apple, we see a positive 64 cents. So yesterday, this was 64 cents lower than 108.43 because today it gained that 64. No, the plus sign mean how much the stock went up today. But compared to yesterday, the day before, that 64 wasn't there. That's all. Okay. Also, bid is just like Craigslist. When you want to sell something, you look for bids. Bid is if you own one share of that company, how much you could get for it if you wanted to sell it. Ask, if you wanted to buy it, you have to ask how much it is. And there's the price right below it. So now I can close this section a little bit since we understand everything over here. Okay, there we are. So now I'm going to teach you how to read a contract. Here, I just want you to write down these tabs, and I'm going to explain what each one means. Okay, so net liquid is how much we can sell it for. So net liquid is if we wanted to liquidate it or sell it right now, how much we could get for it. Trade price is how much we paid for each contract per contract. So the trade price is how much we paid for each contract that we own when we first purchased it. Yes. Mark, that's how much the contract is worth now. So trade price is what we paid for it, but market is what it's worth per contract now. Quantity is how many contracts we have or number of contracts. Days is how many contracts we have, excuse me, how many days we have left in the contract. That's what days represents. Remember, we always have to sell it on the Friday before 4 o'clock, and days will let you know how many days until that Friday. PL open is how much we made or lost since we opened the position. If it's a negative, it means that this is what we lost. If it's parentheses, it's negative. If it's not in parentheses, net liquid will never be in parentheses. But this is what it looks like when you have a positive. This is a negative. Okay. PL day is how much you made or lost on that given day. Okay, let me clear this out. So now I'm just going to run through this and just watch. This contract has two components. This says Verizon Communications. This is the stock or the company itself. Since Mark represents current, this is the current stock price of Verizon, $46.69. The second line represents the contract we purchased. It's written day, month, year. This expires the 16th day of December 2016. The strike price is 52 and a half. That's the price we think it's going to go to or go towards. Call is the type of contract it is. So we know right now it's worth net liquid $30. We paid not 3 cents, but $3. That's why this 100 is here before each contract. It corresponds to the formula. We paid 100 times 3 cents, which is $3. We paid $3 a quantity of 20. So we paid $3 20 times. Okay. The mark, this isn't 1 cent, this is $1.50. It's worth $1.50 20 times. $1.50 20 times is 30. And lastly, it's only 33 days left in this contract.